Hi, everybody. This is Kelly Leahy. I'm the tech coach at Collins, and I've got an awesome thing to show teachers. It's going to be really a game changer in terms of the amount of time and clicks that you have to do to look at student work when you're wanting to uh, uh, grade it or evaluate it on a rubric. So let's get started. First of all, I want to be clear that this is not the same as doing a Google Cloud assignment. You remember that cloud assignments really start out as a document or a presentation that you have created, and then you share that kind of like a virtual copy machine from the cloud. This is a different kind of assignment when you tell the kids, hey, I want you to create a presentation, and then it's time to turn that presentation in. Or I want you to create a document that you've, explained something, and then it's going to be a time where they turn that in. So this is that kind of assignment. So let's get started. I went to my assignments, then I'm clicking on add assignment. I give the assignment a name. I'm just going to type in practice for informational book, because that's really what the 6th grade students are working on right now. In this area here, your rich content area, you could at a later date add that video link that I made for the students on how they should turn in their work so they can see the video. It's also a great place for you to give directions to remind the students what they're going to be looking for, or what they should be looking for as far as a finished document or finished presentation. When you're finished with that, you scroll down here. Remember, you can always go back and add to it as long as the students haven't started turning their work in yet. Down here where it says submission type, you want to make sure that it's online is the choice. So if you don't see online, choose the drop down menu and choose online. And then check the box that says website URL. And so then if you need to limit the amount of attempts, you go ahead and change that to limited and then tell the system how many, and then click on save. Now, this is a great time to talk about rubrics. So if you want to add a rubric, watch the video that is listed on the screen, and then you'll be able to add a rubric. Maybe you already know how to make one, and that'd be awesome. Just go ahead and make it. Then the students will know what they're going to be scored on as far as their writing goes. Alrighty, so when you're finished, you're going to go ahead and publish it. And right now I'm going to show you the student view. So I go to home and I go to student view. And I'm going to go to assignments. Remember, you guys usually put all yours in modules. So mine looks a little bit different. I'm going to go right here. This is my assignment, and this is the student view. And then they'll be clicking on submit. If you have written anything or added that video that explains how they should turn their work in, that would be showing here. But most importantly, in that video, it'll show the students that they should be clicking on Google Drive, and then they'll be able to there'll be a little search tool here to find their work, and they'll be able to submit, click on it, and then click on a button that says link. And that's all in that other video. So I hope this helps you set up your assignment so that students can turn that in, because that's going to help you a whole bunch when it's time to use the Speedgrader. The assignment from the students will show right there in the window without you having to click another link, which is actually going to show you save a lot of time, and you won't have a million tabs open across the top of your screen. So thanks for listening, and let me know if you need some help.